Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Chris, and welcome to Path to Wellness. Today's video is plant-based Omad at 41 years old, what I eat in a day. So sometimes I eat one meal a day, and sometimes I eat 2 meals a day, so I wanted to make a video on plant-based Omad, 1 meal a day. So I started off my meal at about 5:15 after I had done a 4 o'clock strength training workout. And I started my meal off with a smoothie. Now this smoothie is not as big as some of the other smoothies that you see me making on my channel, because on those days I was likely having 2 meals, so I could have a really big smoothie, then wait a few hours, and then have a second meal. But since I was just having 1 meal, I still wanted my smoothie, so I started off with the smaller smoothie. It had 1 banana, it had a cup of blueberries, it had a few tablespoons of soaked chia seeds, I had 4 dates that were soaked in water, and I had a serving of the Marcus Rosecrans Green Pro C formula, which I recently did a video on. I'll link that here. Check out that video. I think this is a great powder to take in your smoothies or with water or juice. So here's the smoothie after I blended it up. It was actually this glass, which was about, I think, 16 to 20 ounces. Plus I had about a third more of this as well. So it wasn't a huge smoothie, but it was a good start to my meal. And then after the smoothie, at about 5:45, I had this part of the meal. I started off this with green salad on the right. It had mixed greens. I had an avocado. I had a few dates and a serving of walnuts. In the middle was 2 plant-based burgers with an avocado and tomatoes on top, and I put a little ketchup on there as well. I have on the left a peanut butter banana sandwich on seeded Dave's bread, and on the top left I have an apple, and I also had a serving of pistachios that I didn't have in the picture here. So that was my 1 meal, and I believe this thing was, I would say around 2,500 calories. I didn't add it up exactly, but I just sort of eyeballed it. And that was it. So let me know if you guys are out there, anyone watching this video eats 1 meal a day or 2 meals a day or does intermittent fasting, what you're eating and how it goes, if you had any results, how long you've been doing it for. I'd be interested to know. So thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more videos on plant-based lifestyle, intermittent fasting, and calisthenics workouts as well. So thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day. Give a thumbs up if you liked the video, and we'll see you soon. Bye-bye.